Hello, my name is Chad Zelmer, and this presentation is about the past forming the future. The two historical events and people we will be briefly discussing are Adolf Hitler and the Holocaust. Adolf Hitler was born on April 20th, 1889, and he lived to the age of 56. He died on April 30th, 1945, in which he committed suicide. He was looked at as being unfit to serve in the army, however, he convinced the king to let him join the army. He went through many battles and was actually wounded in World War I. He was still in the hospital recovering when Germany lost World War I. In 1933, he took over the German army and raided Poland in 1939, which led to World War II. Hitler caused the Allied powers to form to defeat him. This was US, Great Britain, and the Soviet Union. He started World War II by invading Poland, which led to millions of deaths. He was also responsible for the Holocaust, which was formed through death camps and concentration camps. These camps were responsible for killing off millions of Jews even after the war was seen as considered over. With his assassination of the Jews, it made the world aware when they needed to say enough is enough. Finally, he started World War II and will be forever known for his cruelty. To defeat him, uncommon alliances had to team up. The Holocaust lasted for 12 years, starting in 1933 and ending in 1945, at the end of World War II. The Holocaust was the murder of millions of Jews by the Nazi German army. The largest amount of surviving Jews captured came out of Auschwitz, which was also the largest concentration camp. The Holocaust was one of the most brutal genocides known due to the mass killings, conditions, and disregard of human life. Because of how bad it was, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was formed. Now there are basic guidelines that are set, and violations are war crimes. Israel has been known to be the homeland of the Jews. Now Israel had a reason to stand their ground to avoid crimes like the Holocaust from ever happening again. In conclusion, both Hitler and the Holocaust changed the world's view on war and acceptable practices. They also brought together alliances that were never thought to combine to defeat a common enemy. They will always be remembered as a part of world history. Thank you for watching my presentation, and here are my references.